As you can see, we have a minor suspension issue here. In that the screw vanished from that linkage. However, all is not lost, because, would you believe, when I picked the truck up, look what I found. So, we're going to rip the body off and put this bad boy back together. The things you go through keeping these nice inexpensive little toys running. I think I've got almost as much into this thing at this point as I've got into my full-size Cherokee. Okay, so gotta pull the wheel off. Hey, there you are. Somebody complained about having a clip that all they could see was man boobies and belly, so. Hello. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Okay, so. Put that in there. That'll be going right there. Yep, at least it doesn't look like anything broke this time. Now, why isn't my real Jeep this easy to work on? I swear. I'm just amazed that that screw was actually hung up in the suspension. Okay, let's see what we got here. And no, I will not be an ad for the anti-smoking campaign. They're on their own. Cool. Looks like we're back in business.